forever, you and me. Windmill, windmill for the land is everybody in.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. TradeCaster.com. What's going on, you guys? Switch the mix up a little bit, huh? Yeah, hope you guys like it. There we go. Yeah, buddy. What's up, guys? What's up? Give me a second. Alright, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen of TradeCaster.com? Hope you guys are all having an amazing, profitable morning if you traded so far. If you haven't traded, it's okay. There hasn't been much to trade, so we're getting after it, baby. We're gonna kill this market. We're gonna kill today. So let's hop straight into it, baby. Alright. Let me cut the music real quick. Cut it. Okay. Alright, word, good. Alright, guys, so what's been going on? What's been happening? Guys, okay. We'll start with options. Option wise, we haven't had a lot. So S&P, I mean, it's really just been, it's been on a little bit of an uptrend, which is cool and all. 10 a.m. news came out, as you see. I reacted how I thought it was going to react, not really do too much. I didn't really think it was going to be too critical. 10 a.m. news, by the way, was Tuesday job openings, ISM manufacturing and construction spending. So it kind of, I mean, what did they come out as? The forecast, what is it? Okay, let me refresh. The forecast was, well, that doesn't help because I don't have the actual numbers. So they didn't load up on this thing, but when they do load up, I'll let you guys know. I'm assuming they were kind of they were kind of, you know, the same. And hold on, YELL going crazy, guys. I've tried this stock multiple times today, and it just doesn't seem to like me. You know what I'm saying? You guys get what I mean? So I tried the stock. So this is the only stock I've traded today. I want to put that out there. I'm still in my S&P calls or whatnot for next month. We'll see how they react. You know, they're starting to spiking back up. That's what I'm saying, maybe. So I tried this break at this little high day break. It kind of caught it a little bit. Came up, was holding, and took a little profit. It was cool or whatever. Then coming back up to the 275 break. So coming into the 275 break, I didn't take it because I know, we all know, 275 or any 75 point, 75 to 80 level is always critical in a way. And with it being critical, it's what is it? It's always a little bit of a pain. And so what is it? So coming into it, I didn't really take it. I didn't really force it or whatnot. Coming up 274.75, came back down, spiked in, threw it up to 81, took it at the 275 break. Then, you know, obviously came back down, so I got out, cut it, essentially break even on it then. And then coming back up, what is it? I didn't take it above 280 again. I wasn't watching this. I was getting the stream set up. So not a bad trade though. If you got it above 280, 281, 281 point. Not a bad trade. It's just, yeah, this stock's been a little weird. And then we have, oh baby, do we have a stock over here? SNMP, baby. I have not touched this stock due to the fact that, you know, I'm afraid of two things. One, the company getting put under investigation at T12 Holt out of nowhere, right? Type situation. Okay, word. Secondly, because it's up over 1,000%. A stock that's up over 1,000%, you know, you never know what's gonna happen. So it's always a weird one. So going on with that, yesterday I was literally taking a look at this stock yesterday on this right here. So I'm glad I didn't take it yesterday. This was right after the stream or whatnot. I was chilling out. Someone said something in Dex chat or something about it. It was coming up here, and I seen this, and I'm like, what the f. And then it came up here all the way up to, what is it, 560? What's the high here? 565? And I was like, no, I don't like that price action. Like, that's so garbage. Like, it just keeps halting up and, like, I don't know. One of these times it's not going to do it. And luckily I didn't, because right there. And I definitely would have sold, like, when it came down to 390. I was not about to lose however many shares I was going to put in there. So, these penny stock plays have been eating me. All right, took an AMD trade. Yeah, I didn't even really count this. I made like $3. I'm telling you guys, I don't know what's going on with these contracts. AMD contracts, they are terrible though. Let me tell you that. All right, so I took an AMD trade above 1508 as there was a double top there. Right, it came right up, and here you go. There you guys go. Right, so it came right up to 1508 once, came up to $15 again here. So I was like, okay, if it comes up to 1508, maybe I'll take it. It had clear resistance right here at 1508. Came off it, I'm like, okay, I'm taking it if it comes up. And I did take it. I caught it. Good stuff. But I made like $1 a contract. And I took like 5 contracts, so I mean, dude, you know, quick math indicates I only made $5 on that. And I'm like in my head, like, okay, wait a minute, this is like a 30-cent gap. Why am I not like, you know what I mean? And I just don't understand. I think it's just these Friday expiration contracts. But I don't know, man. I don't know. They're not liking me. We'll go with that. They're not liking me. So we're chilling out. I'm kind of all for the penny stocks. We're gonna chill out on those just because they're not really working in my favor the best. Meta here, Meta getting a little crazy. So I'm gonna stick to my normals. I don't remember that stock. That stock went crazy too. Yeah, because I don't mind penny stocks come pre-market, but then I feel like once the market opens, they get a little bit too crazy on me. You guys know what I'm saying? I know you guys feel me. What else can we load up here? Let's load up Tesla. Tesla's always a banger sometimes. Depends on, you just got to catch Tesla on its right day. It has its days. Like today, here we go. A little bit of a downtrend here on Tesla. Let's see if it breaks that 262.22 level. That, I don't know why my brain tells me that's not a bad spot. That's not a bad spot of entry. Came up to the VWAP. Look at that. You guys want another good play? Let it come up to the VWAP in the 50 right here. Touch that, and then it should, realistically, it did it once. Right here, look at all those bounces right off the VWAP coming into it. Obviously, right here, opened up above it. But once it flushed below it, it hasn't been able to break above it. So, 262.22. As long as the S&P is ripping down, I might load up Tesla here, guys. Loading up Tesla real quick. Just going to check it out, see what's up. Friday expiration contract. So, it'll be I need the weeklies and quarterlies. August 4th expiration. Probably the 252.50s, 5 of them. 252.50s. What's the low here? 262.22. A little bit of a double bottom. We'll see. We'll see. If the S&P continues to rip to the downside, that would make me feel as if there's an indication that, you know, this potentially would work. This will just be a quick trade. Probably a scalp right below 262 break. If I do this right now. There it is.
Filled.
Oh, right there's a jump down to 262. Let's see if it can break 262. I got in right when it decided to, you know, come in and punch it right around 262. If it retests 262, it could really start to break to the downside down to, I'd say, 261.80, 261.75. Pushing the low. Pushing the low right there, Tesla. Pushing the low. Let's see you break 262, baby. If you break 262, I can see 261.80. 261.80 is going to be my level of where I see. Bam, baby. Here we go. There you guys go. Ladies and gentlemen, 261.80 on the dot. Let's see if it breaks. Starting to break. Bangers, baby. Banger, banger, banger. Make sure to take your profit when you have it. Let's see if it can come down, retest it again. Retest the 70 level. Came right down and in. Not forcing it. Not going to force anything. Going to take my contracts when I have them. Starting to push this low here. I like it.
Order partially
sold
filled.
out on 2, holding 3.
Order filled.
Holding 3, seeing if we're going to get a little bit more of a break.
Order partially filled.
Out of that.
Order filled.
Okay, not the worst trade. If you guys are still in, you guys are good. I just take my profit when I have it right there. Slight gains is what you're looking for. Tiny, tiny gains. Okay, so nothing great. Nothing wild here. There it goes. Breaking 270 now. Breaking it to the downside. You guys are good as long as S&P continues this little downtrend. Let your stop loss, if you guys got in when I got in, let your stop loss be 262. If 262 comes up and hits, get out. But that's a good trade right there for you guys. Anyone's in on that. There you guys go, baby. Starting off the day with a banger, huh? Whew. Yeah, buddy. There you guys go. So, that's how we start our mornings, man. That's how we start it. What made me get in on this? Well, clear double bottom this candle. Came down exactly to 262.22. I know I'm just saying a bunch of numbers, right? 262.22 came down exactly to it. Broke it. And then that's where I want to get filled. Probably didn't get filled till 262.03. Not even going to lie. Like, that was the area I got filled at. And here it is coming in. I'd probably start to take my profit, sell it. And then it came down here, yada, yada, yada. That's about a 40-cent drop or whatnot. 40-cent drop, that's good enough for me. You know what I'm saying? So, there we go. Next trade on Tesla. If you guys are looking for another trade, maybe you didn't take that. Maybe you're just tuning in, etc. Up all the way near the view up and the 50. If it comes up to the view up and the 50, then you could probably take another trade there. So, yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Look at Meta spike. Look at that on Meta. That's getting wild. Meta's actually having some good price action today. Tesla, that wasn't a bad trade. I just, you know, I don't even know, man. I don't know why these contracts don't appreciate. That wasn't like a terrible trade. I just think when I sold, I'm about to start like, I don't know. I have my thoughts. I don't like oversizing. Don't get me wrong. I hate oversizing. When I oversize, I feel like I'm doing too much. You know what I'm saying? You ever feel like you're just doing too much? You're just like, all right, I'm gonna take like 20 contracts of this trade, and it's like, yeah, you're doing. It's like even if you win, you're still reinforcing bad behavior. You know what I mean? It's like giving a child what they want after they just threw a tantrum. You know what I'm saying? It's like you just don't do it. It's like you're reinforcing bad behavior. So if you're oversizing, you're just gonna continuously oversize until you have an L of a trade, and then it's like, well, yeah, I expected that. And then it's like, you know what I'm saying? Unless you cut your losses. But then your losses would... I don't know, man. I don't know. Me and oversizing never got along. I feel like anyone in oversizing never got along. Anyone agree with that? You're in with just too many contracts and you're just like, or you're in with too many shares. Whatever you're trading. It's just like, yeah, man, I just don't know about that one. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Take an L. Shit goes south. You know? Now you're thinking you're a bad trader and everything. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, buddy. So chilling out, not gonna force anything. Let's take a look at YELO. YELO, this stock was a stock. Okay, nothing too crazy on that. This stock, yeah, was a stock. That stock went a little crazy up to 330. This one, okay, here we go. SNMP, done for. Shorters are eating this up. Shorters, you guys are living, baby. Congratulations to the shorters. Like, that is wild. So shorters are living with that, loving it. Personally, me, I don't know, man. I didn't really touch SNMP. I had thoughts to so many times. But I think I'm almost gonna. I just gotta chill out with some of these penny stocks, man. Because I'll be trading them, and I'll be trading them, and some of them print. Don't get me wrong. But then you have the ones like that where it's just a bunch of fugazi, man. It's like there's no way it's even a real stock. S&P, you can't even. Oh, there goes the S&P, guys. Oh man, dude, that's so good looking. That's such a good looking trade. Here it might go Tesla to the downside again, guys. Last time we seen this on a larger scale. Look at that, break of that lower day, a 40-cent drop. Caught that, and it started to go a little bit crazy. I just don't know if it's gonna do the same thing here. Especially if S&P is gonna drop this low here, I have to have a stop loss on my calls, just so I don't give everything up on them. I'm thinking about, I don't know. We'll see. Are we still in that little range here? Look at AMD coming down to that 200 right there. Let's see if we're still in that little range. Let me go to the 4 hour. We've been in this little range in between. Yeah, we kind of are. I mean, we broke the uptrend. I'll give it to the 50. If it breaks the 50, I'll get out. Guys, on these calls that I have, if it breaks the 50 day, and it has a big upper shadow here, if it breaks this 50 day here, I'll get out. I'm not biased one way or another. The market can go either direction. I feel like, especially as of right now. So it's at the low. So basically 255. If we come down and break 255, I'm gonna call it only because. Well, we bounced. No, that was due to Meta, so that doesn't really count. So yeah, I'll call it on those if we come down to that low. Let me load up futures as well, guys. I know some of you guys are eating up on futures. I made like 200 yesterday on futures. So small gains, nothing crazy. Now, small gains in the fact that I had to make $3,000 on the account. Now I don't really have a. Hear me out. Hear me out. I don't have a time period, okay? To where I have to make that, you know. To where I have to make that, or anything like that, any crazy amount. So chilling out. Let me get this up for you guys. Trading some of these options, baby. This is the way to go. This is the way to go. I hope everyone in here is printing today, man. If you guys are trading. I can't spell. Give me a second. Hope you guys are printing. Every single one of you guys coming in here. Hot every day in the market. If your name's Rolando and, you know, you just moved to America. You're getting things popping. You guys know what I'm saying. Okay. Okay, so this is where we're at. This is where we're at right now. Oh, okay, it's going to load up over there. We're at 49,970, baby. Got to make 30 buckaroos to be break even on this account. I took like a dumb trade. I think like it's a couple days ago, and now it was just like I'm done trading. All right, I'm not gonna force it because every single time I do this thing where it's make or break. I'm like, all right, baby, I'm making $3,000 a day, or I'm losing it all, and I'm just like, okay, that's when you start over trading. You know what I mean? Or you take like way too many contracts, one or the other. So I'm just chilling out. I'm not gonna force anything, right? Especially on a day like today. So like I said, man. Hope you guys are printing, baby. Let me check out some of the other charts. Deck. Did deck just make 5 bands? Did deck just make 5? Hold on. Hold on. Anyone in here? Can anyone in here confirm that? I'm live right now, so I can't go. Hold on. I can't. Hold on. I gotta. Can anyone here confirm if he just made 5 bands or not? That's you know. That's why you guys are here, right? You love to see it. I don't know if that's I can't confirm that right now. I can't confirm, but if one of you guys can, I'm 1 for 1 on the day with you guys, baby. I'm 1 for 1 on the day on Tesla. I'm actually 2 for 2 on options. I took an AMD trade that printed me about. It would seem to be $5 because the contracts didn't appreciate for anything. They literally appreciated on a 35-cent move. They appreciated $2, those contracts. That is insane, isn't it? $2. Yes, he did. Oh, my, bro. Oh, dude, round of applause for that guy right there, dude. Round of applause, man. That is insane, man. That is, I mean, homie's making, I mean, yesterday he locked up, what was it, 3,000 something? He's making bank. Brothers printing. Me, personally, I'm printing. I'm getting there. I'm just not trading with such and such amount. But you guys can all do the same thing. I'm 2 for 2 on the day on options and trading. And on live stream, I'm 1 for 1. Literally the second I loaded it up, boom, baby. Took a Tesla trade with you guys, made 40 cents. Call it a day, baby. If you guys printed enough, right? Whatever you guys want. 40-cent drop right here. Call it this low down to here. Try to take my profit in this area and do what you want. But I mean, hey, baby, there you guys go. There you guys go. AMD. Took 1 trade on it today. A little bit of a right above that 1508 level on AMD. So that's what I'm saying. It's like you guys have different options. But I mean, when he did, so wait, he printed. Okay, wait, what was that on though? Was that on a an options play? What is it? PIKK. I'm gonna call you Pick. I like Pick. Was that on Pick? I mean, was that on options Pick? Yeah, $500 account challenge he got coming up here. Yeah, buddy's ready. Buddy's ready to print. He's making his bag for the month, and then, you know, it's a great way to start August. Yeah, it's August 1st too. August 1st. That's how you got to do it. You got to start green on the month. Got to start green. No red days in August, baby. That's the game plan. No red days. Absolutely 0 red days in August. So, chilling out, man. No, I mean, like, it's really, I mean, I don't know, man. It comes down to the fact of how you like to trade, too, right? I don't know what his trade exactly was, but, I mean, I have a similar trading style to him. He does bounce trades or whatnot. I love me a good bounce trade, baby. But, I mean, listen, my eyes are keen to view op 50. So, like, and, hey, listen, real quick, guys. If Tesla comes back up to, it's starting to spread out a little bit more, so you're getting a little bit more room. But if Tesla comes up to this 50, there's multiple things you can do here. You guys can trade it like this, to where if it comes up to the 50, you get in half your position. Comes up to the view up, you get in your other half, right? Breaks that. Listen, listen. This 200 level sometimes is very critical and very, very much matters in the sense that it'll come up, break view up. Now you have a gap though from the 200 and the view up, right? Personally, me, a lot of times I take a position near the view up. I don't have enough wiggle room to hold all the way up to the 200, right? So it's like I do cut it at the view up break, but you guys can do what you want. If you guys want to get in a position at the 50, then at the view up, then cut it if it breaks the view up by like 10 cents or whatnot. So essentially comes up to like 263.80 or whatnot, and get out of that. And then maybe if it comes back up to the 200, take a small position there and see if you can ride this all the way back down, right? So like, let's go to yesterday on Tesla. I'm pretty sure it did the same thing. If you go back to yesterday on Tesla, right near the 200, you have multiple bounces or whatnot, but that's not what I'm looking at. I'm looking for right here. There it is. So you get in. This is what I did. You get in right here at the 50. You get into the view up. Breaks that. I cut it. I couldn't. I'm in a large enough position to where I can't hold to the 200. So, you know, I just couldn't do it. And then it comes up to the 200. Look at that wick right off it and comes down, flushes down to the trend line. So, you know, you catch a move all the way from the 200 down to here. That's a big move. You catch a move all the way from the 50 down to here in the view up. That's also a big move. So, you guys get what I'm saying. Pick your poison. Do what you want to do. But give yourself some wiggle room, because all three of those levels could be rather critical. Meta options trade. Okay. That's what's up. There you go, man. Banking, baby. So I'm assuming, hey, if any of you guys coming from Dexchat, you guys are probably green right now. Unless you didn't take the trade, but that's okay. You guys are killing it, baby. Fucking eating this market up on a Tuesday afternoon. Tuesday morning, actually. Yeah, buddy. So, we're living. We're loving it. I got futures up on my left over here. I got options up right here. If you guys have any penny stock trades you want to take a look at, feel free. The only ones I've seen today that went crazy was Yell. It's coming back down now. Yell went crazy in the past too. And SMNP. SMNP also coming back down now. So, shorters are eating this market up. And guys, in a little bit here, I might be loading up, you know, a couple K into a certain account so I can start shorting stocks or whatnot. And, I mean, well, not that I can start. Just so I can do it, I might do a shorting challenge to where I only short stocks, and I'll see how far I can take like a $2,000 account or something in just shorting. I feel like a lot of these stocks, they go up and they have to come down in the way, right? Now, surely they don't have to, but in the same sense that 9 times out of 10, they do come back down. Like SMNP, this stock could have went all the way up to $15, $16, $17. Eventually, I feel like it would have came back down. The hype would have ended. You know, you just got to keep your eye on it. You know what I mean? So here it comes back down here, all the way back down to $8. Even if you guys got this, you know, at this break here of 1170 break, you know, this little channel that's happening, break of the uptrend. Because if I go to the 30-minute, I'm pretty sure I can see a clear uptrend on this. You know, clear as a. Oh, this looks like a banana squeeze, baby. Look at that, guys. If only this candle would have been right here. That would have been a I could have screenshotted this and explained a banana squeeze in and out to you guys, man. That would have been a crazy good. So, yeah, okay. Okay, yeah. Didn't though. It didn't squeeze up there. But here we go now. So, where would you guys have said the uptrend would have been? In your guys' personal opinion, where would the uptrend have been? It's kind of hard to place one on a stock like this. I mean, you can't do it from, I feel like, from the 40. Where would the, I mean, something like this, you're kind of cutting into a couple of them, but you're kind of at the base. You see what I'm saying? It's hard with the way that it's breaking out to touch all of these points at once. But you guys see what I'm saying? You can see a semi-uptrend here. I guess you could have counted that, and it broke now all the way back down to 860. You know. So, you know, shorters take it away. Shorters take a lot of these stocks away when it comes down to it. No buyer's going to want to get in. No, like, buyers don't want to get in, you know, what is that, at the break of $10 to the downside. Nobody wants to get in at the break of, you know, $8 to the downside. Nobody's going to be like, hey, this is a perfect time to buy back in. You know what I mean? People are like, you know, let's talk about it. Let's think about it for a little bit, okay? right, let's not get crazy. All right, that's what most people do. So chilling out, baby. 1 for 1 on stream, 2 for 2 on the day, option wise. Penny stocks, been eating my ass. All right, let me tell you that. Penny stocks have been eating me away, baby. I haven't traded any futures yet today. If I do, I 100% will let you guys know. I'm taking it easy on futures, guys. I'm taking it easy. I'm looking for maybe 100, 200 bucks a day. Nothing crazy, right? I'm not gonna force it. Maybe look, it depends on what I'm feeling. I just have to trade this account for a minimum of 10 days. I don't think I have a maximum. I forgot about this, guys. I forgot to tell you that. We'll do 11:30. 11:30. I took a look at 4 prop firms, and I have a presentation for you guys on which one here is the best. Give me a second. Let me see if I better still have it. On which one is the best. Is this it right here? This better be it. There we go. Okay. I have a presentation for you, a little PowerPoint on which one of them, in my opinion, in my personal opinion, is the best, okay? And, it depends on what you're essentially trying to do. Now, there's different things. Now, I took a look at one here. I added one in that's a little bit different than the rest of them. And, it got a bit confusing because a lot of these prop firms don't talk about their payouts, you know what I mean? So it's like, hey, cool, man, it's so and so amount a month, or it's so and so amount one-time fee, and it's like, and you only have to hit this goal. And it's like, okay, but what's the payout? It's like, well, what do you mean? It's like, no, but like when I pass a challenge, because trade cash members here, we're all gonna pass these challenges, right? So it's like when we pass the challenge, what's the payout rate? So you got to dive deep into it. I couldn't find some of them. I tried to find the most I could, but it just took me a little bit. Okay, it took me a quick second. So that's what I'm for. I mean, I'm gonna do a little explanation if any of you guys are interested in getting in on the price points, what I found for some of the payouts, what are the payout rates, and there's a few other ones. Like I went over the main ones that I think are. So you guys will see. I'm just getting a little excited. So S&P coming up to that 50. Coming up to that 50 in view up and the 200, it's gonna be some resistance. If we can break through it all, baby, top side could be coming. So right at that 50, we'll see. Same with Tesla here. Same with Tesla, right at that 50. I can only preach it so much. We will see. And why I love these trades is because your risk to reward ratio is okay. Here, listen, hear me out. Your risk to reward is, let's say you buy 1 to 2 contracts right here, and it dumps back down to low a day. You make 20-30% on 1 to 2 contracts. Okay, cool, right? It's like, all right, well, maybe these contracts were $100 each, $200 each. Let's say they're $100 each. You're making 20%, so you made $40, only because you had like 2 contracts, right? If you had 3, you made $60, right? On the let's just say that, right? Let's say it comes up to view up. Okay, let's say you grab another 3 contracts. Now you're in 5. Okay, now your cost basis is right up to like 263.20. It bounces straight off, goes back down to lower day. Now you made 20%. Now let's say you made 25% because now your cost basis is even higher up here at 263. What did I say? 20 area. All the way back down, you made 25 to 30% on these contracts. You know what I mean? Now you're printing. Now you just made $30 on what? 5 contracts. 3 times 5, 150. You made $150 on that drop. Up the stakes. Okay, you're coming up to the 200. You get in here for it. And now this is the last point. So your risk to reward ratio at the 200s, it's literally like a couple pennies, right? If it starts to break above the 200 by 10, 20 cents, cut that. Now you can catch $1.50 drop type situation, right? Back down to the low a day and or wherever you want to take your profit, baby. If you're in, take your profit. And bada bing, bada boom, you're good to go. So, chilling out here. Another Ghost Energy for the win. I'm telling you guys, this is a secret to trading. You guys haven't yet? Try it out. People say study. People say watch videos, learn, get one-on-one mentoring, do all that. Guys, I'm having a one-on-one mentoring class. All right, it's going to be $599.99. Don't ask why. It's going to be $599.99. And the entire time, me and you are going to sit on camera, look each other in the eyes, and we're going to each down one of these. Right? And it's not a race. We're just going to look each other in the eyes and do this. No conversation. Right? And I bet you, I promise you, now don't quote me on this, I promise you, tomorrow, the next day you trade or whatever, you come into this market, you're going to have the best day you've ever had. Yeah. Yeah. Trust me on that, baby. So, you guys get what I'm saying. So there goes Tesla. There goes Tesla above that view up. Starting to rip a little bit. Don't let this go 20 cents above if you guys are in. We have one touch here. Why is this a good spot? Look here. We have one touch. We have, look at all these candles that could not hold above. And then we fell off, right? We have two. That's just today. It's 10:32. So, look at that. It's starting to not be able to hold up. Let's see. Might take a potential entry myself near this area. I just want to see what the S&P is going to do. I like these points right here. I love these touches, especially because it's holding right at the view up. So we'll see. If this candle closes above, I might not be interested as much. But I like that we have that upper shadow right there. Big upper doji right there, baby. So we're going to see what's up. We're going to see what's up. You have to give me a fat second, though. With the S&P ripping to the top side, ended right at the view up. It's going to go one way or another here. Let's see. Let's see. Touching the 200, the view up. I don't know, guys. I'm on Tesla. I'll probably do the 250, 250 contracts again. I think that's what I did last time. 52, 52, 50. Yup. Maybe 5 of them I would do. Maybe. But I need to see that this thing can't hold above the 50. The 200 and the view up. I have to see some rejection. I have to see this come back down a little bit more. It's there, you guys. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, it's there. All right, let me turn on some background music so I'm not so quiet up in here. You guys want some background music? I got you. Oh, yeah, baby. Bring up my OBS real quick. There we go. So, can't hold above it, guys. Starting to come down a little bit. Tesla, though. Tesla not reacting the same. Let's see. Tesla. It's like right at the tipping point. Everyone see this? It's like, do I dump? Oh, I'm right above the 50. Do I spike? Oh, I'm right in between the view up and the 200. It's like, oh, what do I do? What to do? You know what I mean? It's like, come on, buddy. Pick a direction. I don't even care. Starting to crack a little bit more, guys. I don't know. I don't see that much resistance here on Tesla. I don't see that much. Yeah, that's exactly. I said that right. Ladies and gentlemen, I might not take this. I don't know. I just don't like the way it's acting. Here we go, maybe though. Oh man. Okay, starting to come back down here on Tesla. On S&P. S&P trend line. Mark it where you will, but coming in here. Something like that, getting rid of a couple of them points. So there's always strong. Look at that touch, guys. Look at that touch. Look at that. You guys see that exactly. I know I'm not the only one. So, real quick, you guys. I hope you guys are all having a profitable day. I hope you guys are all killing it. If you guys have any tickets you want me to take a look at, feel free to type them in the chat, baby. I'll take a look at them. I'll run it up with you guys. Don't worry. My name's Freddy. On Friday the 13th, baby. There we go. So Tesla started to pick up some momentum. Not in any positions myself right now. Calming down, not going to take it. I'm still in those calls. Hold on, I'm in those, short-term positions. No scalping positions. So, yeah, buddy. You guys see what I'm saying. Chilling out. Not going to force it. If the S&P can break above, potentially might take a quick ES long as ES reacts the same. But I would need to see, it would have to be a really quick scalp. Have to be a quick scalp. Double top. Oh man, baby. Another touch. Guys, man, I'm just playing what I see. I'm just playing what I see. I hope you guys see the same. Hope I'm not seeing. Hope you're not looking at me like, yeah, buddy's talking crazy. All right, YB's, you know, you're talking reckless. I don't see anything you're talking about. You make 0 sense. All right? Listen. Listen here. Listen here, Linda. Let's talk about it. Oh, bro, that scared me. You see this little message right here? I thought that meant I got in on a trade. I was like, wait a minute. I was like, I did not limit order into anything, bro. Yo, did you guys see my face right there, bro? It probably dropped. It was probably like, oh man, dude, that one got me. Potential reversal here. So listen, support right around the 200 view up. Obviously, you got the 50 right there. Another touch, touch. Right? It just goes to say, and you guys all know this. You guys are probably like, YB, we know. YB, we get it. We have these on our charts, okay? We see what you're seeing. So, coming back up here, let's see if it can break out. We're good to go, baby. Quick scalp play, joining the bid on that. Seeing if it'll come back down. Join the bid on that. Let's see if we can. Okay, hold on. There we go. Starting to break out a little bit here. Let me pull this up for you guys. There we go, guys. So starting to break out a little bit here on the S&P. Want the S&P to go a little bit higher here, so if we can start to really break out. There we go. Starting to break out here on the S&P, guys. In on those futures. Gonna take it. 125. On the ass. See if I can get filled on that. If it can come back up, I get filled. I'll be good to go, baby. Seems to be it could potentially come back up here. Nothing right now. Nothing right now. Chilling out. If this thing can go a little bit green here, I'll be good to go. I'll take what I got. I want to see it hold the view up in the 50 though. Oh man, I was up 125 on that. Let's see it hold up. That's good if it can hold up. It's fine. It's fine, guys. I want that next candle to form, man. That's why I'm torturing myself. I want that next candle to form. Let's see. Hold the uptrend. Right there's a 50. Breaks 50. I'm out completely, guys. I got to get out. I went to go take my profit, as you guys saw. It just didn't fill me as I joined the ask. Let's see that thing go from red to green, baby. You go red to green, man. I'll chug the entire ghost. Right in front of these guys. I'll chug the whole thing, baby. Starting to break, guys. Got to get out. Joining the ass.
Order filled.
Got to get out. Okay, I went to take my profit, ladies and gentlemen. Do not tell me I did not go to take my profit. Anyone here that knows me, I'm a bit of a weird futures trader. So where I don't, and guys, I'll take it again if it wants to break above that point. I will take it again. Why am I taking it again? For a quick scalp, guys. I'm looking for the break above the view up, the 200, and for the spike back up. You guys can look for the opposite. You guys can look for the put play to come in. And should I look for that? To a point, right? I'm looking for a very quick scalp. So if it wants to continue this uptrend, hold it. I'll be looking to go, you know what I'm saying? A bit long. If it breaks this downtrend, though, I'll be looking short. But it has to break the downtrend. So you guys know what I'm saying. Tesla's starting to come back down a little bit. Touch of the trend line right there. I need a confirmation candle below the trend line. Something like that. It's just another little extra one. A little something like that. Look at that little dip buy, boys. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Little dip buy. So ladies and gentlemen, let me pause the music. Sorry, man. It's getting crazy up in here, alright? Can't hear if I'm talking or if I'm singing. You guys don't even know. Yeah, I could be an amazing singer. I'm not, but I could be. So, chilling out. So, sorry, I just peeped something. Yeah, guys. So, potential, I mean, guys, I might join real quick. I might join the, you know what I'm saying, guys? Like, I'm on edge. All right, I think S&P here is going to do one of two things. This right here start to crack this down. I mean, this little uptrend, excuse me. Now, Same thing I play all the time. Now I'm 2 for 2 on options. And I try to take my profit there, everyone. I did, I swear. But I'm 2 for 2 on options or whatnot. Now, my main thing when it comes down to it is S&P can always be a bit, I don't want to say special. We're not going to say special.
Order filled.
I'm in on the bid. I want to see this thing spike back up to above the 50 and start to break out, maybe to 435.35 area. If it can't, breaks the trend line, I'll get out. Comes down to the low of this candle, I'll get out. I might even, I feel like I'm getting a bit forcey right now, so I might chill out after this trade. If this thing can come up, I like the red to green on that candle. I do like it. It has to break above the 50 here. Starting to break above the 50. I like it. So I'm looking for a bounce off the trend line and a spike back to the top side. Maybe even back up to 456.37 area. 456.36. That's what I'm potentially looking for. Why am I looking for that? Trend line's holding up. And we'll see. We'll see. So looking for that bounce. Just chilling out. Not going to get too forcey here, but come on, baby. Come on, S&P. Don't be playing games. Let's see a spike. Let's see a rip and run. You know you want to spike. You've been wanting to spike all day. You're sick and tired of the downside, aren't you? Huh? Yeah. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen. You guys all feel me on that. Right? S&P wants to spike here. Right? S&P wants to spike, guys. S&P, break that 50 and start to spike, baby. Ain't that right, ladies and gentlemen? Ain't that right? That's why we're chilling. That's why we're chilling out. All right, because we got faith in the S&P. Spiking, ripping, and running up to 436. 457, right? I say 436. That would be pretty bad. So let's see a spike now, S&P. Come on, baby. Right above the 50. We'll get out if you come down below that trend line and start to hold below it. But if you want to spike back up, let me know. There we go. A little bit of red to green move. Let's see if this red to green is actually going to be semi-critical. Almost like a bow and arrow. Pull back from the red. Now, there's no lower shadow on that one, but it's okay. Starting to make a little bit of higher lows. In a tight wedge here. Let's see. Let's see. A little bit of a tight wedge. Starting to break out a little bit. If it can break that 50 day and actually kill the 50, I think he can, personally me, I think he can rip up to at least a view up. There it goes. Rip up to at least a view up in the 200. Starting to break out a little bit above the 50. I need to hold, though. So this is what we do, guys. So just trading, and here it goes. If it can't, I got a stop loss. Hold on. Actually, before I do that, let me actually set that. Let me see. 456.06. If it can't, hold above. Some red to green lower shadow would be nice here. Red to green lower shadow, not a bad play. Not a bad play at all. There we go. Starting to pick up some volume now. S&P starting to pick up some hype, baby. S&P, let's see if you can spike. Let's see if you can start to really take off on us. Let's see. There you guys go. Starting to come up a little bit more here. Is it 140 now? Okay, there we go. S&P. S&P with the hype. Charging ES forward up to that 200. Up to that 200 and up the view up. Let's see. Spiking above the 200 view up. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is what you do, baby. Starting to spike up a little bit. Second break. Let's see if the second break's always more critical than the first. Let's see if it can hold. If it can hold this area, I'll be a lot happier. Starting to spike even more, baby. There you guys go, ladies and gentlemen. That's what we were looking for. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. So, just chilling out. We'll get a little bit crazy afterwards. We're going to let it do its thing. We're going to see if it can hold above the view up, the 200, and continue to rip and run. You got a little bit of wiggle room now, so don't want to force anything, but red to green on this. Red to green on that candle. Let's see if we can start to push. Let's see if we can start to push here, guys. Red to green on this candle. S&P looking good. S&P starting to push up. There you guys go. There you guys go, baby. So, hopefully you guys are printing on this with me if you guys are. 2 contracts of ES, longs, nothing crazy. Guys, I'm gonna take my profit where I have it. Oh my gosh, ladies and gentlemen, we're at 50,001 cent. Oh man, hey, this is just what I do. I look fear in the eyes. I look the S&P in the eyes, and I go, baby, you're gonna work with me. I go, you're gonna do exactly what I say. Sometimes it works. Sometimes, you know, it looks at me weird and says, who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? I'm like, you're right, I apologize. But today, not today, baby. And if you guys are still on this, you guys are good. I would use the stop loss of the VWAP and the 200. Okay. So listen, guys. There's two ways you could go about it. And I always use the second break as more critical. This is why, if we go back to AMD, let me just do an AMD. Exactly why when I came in on this trade and what I thought, and oh damn, look at this now, dude. That is really breaking out. So the excuse me. Oh man. Right here, this line right here. Why did I have this here? Well, 15, it's actually 115.08, not 07, but came right up to it. It came right up to the high of 08, right? The second break came up and boom, baby. It didn't even break it, essentially. I just took it. Now, why does that matter? Okay, let's go back to the 4 hour. It's just a little bit, you know, this is almost like over analyzing it, right? So you extend it to the left. As you see, we almost have a bunch of tops in this area, a bunch of tops. We literally have one top here, 1508. We have another one here of what, excuse me, what is that? High of 86, right up to it, essentially. Another one here of 95. So as you see, that 115 level is critical, right? And I'm not much of a breakout trader. I just seen it, right? I don't go crazy on breakouts. I just seen that there, and boom, baby. Started to spike, rip, and run. So there you guys go. There you go. And now here's the trend line. If you extend that to the right on the S&P, held up rather well here. And then boom. So doing well on that. Meta is just a tear, bro. Anyone in on Meta? Anyone trading Meta at all? I'm just now taking a look at this. It is just tearing to the top side. Oh my gosh, Meta. I feel like if I were to get in on anything on Meta right now, I'd be chasing. You know what I mean? It's like, I mean, it literally just it had a gap up right here. Meta is going crazy, you guys. Look at that. You guys could get in like right now on Meta and see where this leads. The 321 break. Anyone interested in the 321 break on Meta? I feel like I'm chasing if I take a trade on this, but right there's 321. 321 hitting, 321 breaking, guys. Right there it is. Oh my god, dude. I feel like I'm chasing. I don't want to chase, but whew, going insane on Meta. Might take a couple contracts. Oh man, what's the appreciation on these? Are they appreciating well? 106 to 107 after 10. What is that? About a 10-cent move, $1. Some of these Friday contracts, these Friday expiration contracts, I will say they don't appreciate the best. I will say that. If you're taking this Friday expiration, I don't know why. They just don't. Maybe it's because I'm taking weirder contracts. I'm taking the 332.50s. If I were to take these, I'm waiting for the next minute to form. Just watch it, just seeing what it plans to do. My stop loss, I'm thinking about getting in near 321. So right there near 321 and seeing if it can hold up. See if it can hold up 321.
Order partially
I'm in
filled.
to see if it can hold 321.
Order
I'll be
filled.
out at 320.80. If it can hold 321 and break above 321.21, you're good to go, baby. So it's due for a pullback. I understand that. I'm just hoping that the 321 area is the pullback. That's a little close. Let's see, though. If you can get a break above 321.20, it seems like, I don't know, man. It just doesn't seem like sellers want this as much as buyers do. If buyers want to come push this stock up, it could start to go really crazy again, as it's been. So 321.80. It's going to be the stop. Coming down here, getting my finger on the trigger, have it on. I'm ready, baby. If this thing doesn't want to spike, if this thing wants to spike back up, though. So holding 321. Starting to spike back up. Ladies and gentlemen, Meta might just be the one. Taking a small trade here, seeing if taking about 5 contracts on this, seeing if we can spike back up above the high day. Seeing if we can break that high day, baby. Let's go, Meta. Let's see you go crazy. There it is, flashing up to 30. Everyone, ladies and gentlemen, let's see it go crazy here. So, just waiting here on Meta. So here we go. Here we go. You're gonna want 321.50 level. Give you guys some a little bit of cushion room. If you guys got in with me on that, I looked for the dip buy down there, and let's see if it can hold up. If it can't hold up, this thing goes from, I mean, that's a bigger upper shadow. If it can't hold up above 321. Let's see if it can, though. So giving it some room. There it goes, pushing back up. Meta starting to push back up near the highs. What is that, 321.29? 321.30? Let's see it do its thing. Pushing, breaking, guys. So there you guys go. It's a little crazy. It's a lot of crazy. It's a lot of crazy going on here. It's a lot going on here. But if it can continue to, you know, keep the uptrend in a way, I'll be okay with it, I guess. I feel like we do have profit takers up in this area, so that makes a lot of sense. Getting in at this high, you are essentially chasing in a way. So you gotta be okay with, you know, chasing. You gotta have your stop loss set. Mine is 80. So if it wants to push back up to the high here, 30, which I mean time and time again it seems to be, 88. I'm out at 80, guys. I cannot. I mean, this thing could go crazy to the top side, 135%. It can go crazy to the other way too. But if it can, you know, we'll see. We'll see. Okay, I do have meta loaded up on the level 2. Just waiting, just watching. We're going to see. I will say the appreciation on these did not affect as much as the D. I think, what is that, delta? The delta is a lot higher than the, you know, it's a little bit crazy on it. Pushing 321 again. Getting a little bit of top resistance here. So, not as crazy as a stream. Not as much energy flowing. We're going to get there, baby. I know buyers want this to continue going. There's no way buyers... 321 just broke. I know some people are saying, okay, I'm okay where it's at. If they want this thing to go, man, they can make it go all the way up to 322 area. Now, hold on. Rewind before I start talking nonsense. Okay, there we go. Hold up. If this thing pushes 321 and breaks it, it's good. If it doesn't, you have a couple upper shadows here, and you got to be careful. So chilling out. I'm about to start putting jazz music on for you guys. You guys want jazz music? I know you guys like that. That nice classical background music. Let's see. Hold on. The spread's a little weird. I didn't even notice that on meta. The spread's a couple pennies different. Let's see if we can push back up. If not, I will cut it. Right in the area of what I'm looking for, 58. It would have to start to spike here. Not saying it can't, but it would have to start to spike. So chilling out. Just waiting. Chilling out, waiting. See if we can spike right back up to 321.30 area. Really start to kill it and crush it. If we can get back above 321, that'll be a lot more helpful here. Pushing 321, starting to break above. Let's see if we can hold above. We got to start to hold above 321. If we can spike back up, even 10 cents, man. Even 10 cents above. That'd be helpful. So you guys all see what I'm saying? There we go. Starting to push the highs there on this candle. 321.04. Let's see if we can start to get it. So, starting to hold at 321.10. Let's see if we can get up there. That's what we're looking for. 14 now. Starting to get there. Ladies and gentlemen, a little bit of a gap up there. You're going to want that green to continue to rip and run. So, right there is your dip buy area. If you guys didn't get on a dip buy, I don't blame you. It's a bit of a scary dip buy. The price action on Meta is a bit wild, I will say. A lot of wild, actually. So, it's hard to get on dip buys. I 100% understand. $321.23 area, right up near it, ladies and gentlemen. Just chilling, I like the red to green there. I like that little bit of a lower shadow. I do like it. If we can start to push these highs here, we're a couple pennies off. We just hit 2.4. So if we start to push those highs back up to 30, push 30. The high here is actually 3.6. We push 3.6 again. I'm not saying nothing. I'm not saying anything too crazy, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Another gap up there. 3.3, 3.4. We're right there, guys. We are right there. So I don't know how high Meta, I mean, you know, Meta has room to go here. Meta has past chart history stating it does have room to go in a way. You're getting up to a resistance area. Let's see if it can break it. If it can start to break out, it's going to really break out. So that's where we're at here on Meta. Would want buyers start to come in here. There we go. I like the red to green on that candle. Red to green comes in, pushes it back up above 40. Excuse me, above 3.6 into 40 is what you're looking for. I'm chilling, baby. I'm chilling out right now. Meta's a bit different. Okay. Okay, I'll explain it in a second. Hold on. Hold on. Give me a minute, guys. Hold on. Rewind. There we go. Starting to push up here. Guys, I don't understand contracts crazy amount, but give me a minute. I do understand contracts. Actually, what am I saying? I understand contracts a decent amount, but sometimes they get a little wild on me, and I don't understand everything about them. So we're going to see. We're going to see, guys, what's going on here. Pushing, did it just push 3.6? Pushing 3.6. Let's see if we break it. 3.7. Pushing 40. Let's see if we break 40 now. If we break 40, it's, oh, man, 40s are always critical levels. 40s, 75s, and 80s, I feel like. I mean, you got your, okay, and okay, there's a lot of spots, actually, within. Okay, hold on. Pushing 40. Let's see if we break it now. Let's see. Don't let that psychological resistance hit you guys. Let's see. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see it start to push 40. Coming down a little bit off it. Coming down hella off it. Guys. These contracts are the most confusing contracts I think I've ever traded in my life. Let's see if we push back up, though. I still have the same stop loss and everything, so we're good. Guys, do you guys see this price action right now on Meta? It's getting a little crazy on me. I know I'm in a little bit of chop here. It's getting a little bit crazy on me. Starting to push 2.9 again. Starting to push 30. Guys, it wants to go. It wants to rip. It wants to tear, baby. Let's see if we can start tearing above 40, guys. We start to raise the energy in the room a lot. Let's see. If it can go crazy all the way back above 40, I mean, it's going to go wild. I mean, these contracts are really, really wild right now, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, 80, 8.5. Are we breaking it? We're breaking it, guys. I got to get out. Okay, let me explain something real quick. Let me explain something. So these contracts, I got in, what are we going to say I got in at? I got in around 20 area, we'll say. I don't know the exact point. I only have the contract number. But at at 321 flat, for some reason, I was break even. No, I wasn't break even. I was up still $7. Does anyone understand that? Anyone understand what I'm saying? Like, that's very confusing. I mean, that's confusing on my end, at least. I don't always understand the contracts when it comes down to that part. I understand, so like AMD contracts, I know they don't appreciate a crazy amount, these Friday expiration contracts. Meta's just wild. Meta was just, I mean, it went on its little pump, its little uptrend. I was trying to catch a little bit more of a break, and as we know, right there's a 40 point. Hit, topped, can't break. Okay, cool. It's just, you guys could get a potential dip buy here. Oh man, I don't know. I gotta chill out. I gotta calm her down a little bit here, okay? So yeah, that's the issue. That's my big issue here. So yeah, guys. So what is it? So option wise, 1 and 1. Wait. 1 for 2 on stream. 1 for 2 on stream. There we go. I had to think about that for a second. I'm like, wait, rewind. 1 for 2 on stream. What is it? 2 for 3 off, technically. Because the AMD trade, I mean, I made it as I was going live. So it doesn't really count. And then, let's check out YELO. What's that at real quick? Are any of these stocks up crazy? YELO at $3 right now. Holding 3. Okay, YELO is starting to come back up. Had its dip all the way back down to VWAP. Bounce play right off VWAP, coming back up. You guys are good, man. Hey, you guys are printing off this one. Listen, I'm not forcing anything, but oh yeah, you guys are good. Futures wise, 1 for 2. It's an okay day. It's an okay day. It's an alright start to April. I mean April. Yeah, that'll be wild. You know, I'm waiting for more or less the big crack. For the big crack, if S&P is gonna do it, or the big pump, it's gonna go one or the other, and that's when I feel like August is really gonna start to kick it. I feel like that's gonna happen sometime in August. Is we're either gonna get a massive crack or a massive crack or a massive spike, right? We've been sitting in what seems to be this area around the 450. What is that? What's the low here? 450 area. We've been sitting above 450 since the middle of July. So I don't mind the uptrend. Don't get me wrong. You know, middle of summer, we're running it up. We're living it. We're having fun. I mean, not the middle of summer anymore. We're coming to the end, but yeah, you guys get it. You guys get what I'm saying. And Meta, man. Oh, man. What's going on with this uptrend? Let's see. Let's see what's holding here on Meta. All right. Let's see what we got here. We got that right there. Yeah, I'll keep that there. I'll keep this little uptrend here because that's right. That's riding the view up 200, and it's a trend line holding this up. Right? So I'm gonna keep that there. I'm chilling out on it. Nothing wild. What else? What else? What else are we feeling here, guys? None of these stocks are really going crazy today. It's kind of a day. S&P on another one of them. Remember? Do you guys remember yesterday? You guys remember yesterday on S&P? So today we're opening up at 456.27. We're at 456.16. We guys moved 10 cents. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we moved like 20 cents. Woo! Yeah, buddy. We moved like 20 cents, so. We'll see. S&P is going to continue to come down. Maybe take a Meta. Maybe if it pushes back up to 321, take a put contract and ride this thing all the way down. Right? How do you guys feel about that? Ride it down to the trend line. Pushes back up to 421. Little Meta put contract. Down to the trend line. Let's see, where are we at here? I feel like I can't. I mean, it's just chop. It's all chop right now. It's all fugazi. None of it's real, man. All right? It's not doing anything crazy. This is the thing about the market recently. I mean, I think it's because, you know, we're in the slower months. I feel like the market's going to heat up in the coming months, but, you know, I don't really have that much time to really kick it like that. We don't really have time to kick it like that. JR Pav saying I'm slightly red today. Me too, man. Me too, because of the penny stock trades. I'm not going to lie. I'll 100%, I'll admit to you guys, yeah. You know, today's not a crazy day. If you guys catch, you know, if you guys caught that meta play with Deck, that was really good. And I'd say that was probably one of the best trades you could have made today. Like, Deck really nailed that one, I will say. I think if it was a put contract, that's good. I mean, because, you know, I don't know. I always how I reflect is I take a look at the S&P, and I see the S&P moving sideways, and that, you know, I can't say it reflects on every stock, right? Obviously, not all stocks in the top 500, but on a lot of them, right? Like, I like the price action here. Don't get me wrong. Amazon, not too bad. Let's go take a look at, like, Tesla. Tesla, you run a little bit of chop. You have your morning moves or whatnot, but now that we're breaking above, you're starting to get into that chop. Let's go, you know, Meta. You can take a look back on Meta. Meta's one of those plays that's you know, pick a direction and sticking with it, so that's good. Take a look at like Microsoft. Like, so it's just not okay, if I can spell Microsoft, ticker. Right? Now, okay, oh, hey, right there we go. Look at that. Maybe, okay, hold on. Now that I just took a look at this, I don't know. I haven't traded Microsoft contracts in a minute. So give me a second here. And do I trust this, though, with the way the market's moving? We'll see. We'll see. Right? So you could have made, I mean, if you guys are shorters, you guys are eating this market up because of YELL, Yell, and what is that? SNMP. You guys are eating this up. Right? So there we go. Right there's Meta, though, pushing. Right there it is, guys. So All right, I might do this here. I might look for a potential dip buy here on Meta. I need a dip buy probably back down right now, 320.80. Around 320.80 level, maybe I'll look for a potential dip buy if it wants to push as it was old shop. If it wants to spike up to new highs, maybe I'll look for the 321.30 level, right? So I just don't want to, I'm not trying to force it. I just think that if Meta's going to go, I don't want to, you know, I'm not saying FOMO or anything, but I don't want to, you know, be the guy that misses out completely. So. And Microsoft here. So Microsoft, if it starts to dip below this, if it breaks this 50, I might get in on some puts to fill this little gap right here it has. Right? Off this jump up, this little gap all the way back down if it wants to come back down to 7.5 level. What is that? Like that's almost a dollar move, right? So we'll see. We'll see. So those are the plays that I'm thinking about right now. Now, I'm glad I made, so right now on futures, like I said, the account's basically sitting at break even. It's at 50,000 again and 1 cent. You know what I'm saying? Always got to add the penny in. But no, it's sitting at break even essentially. It's chilling. So like the trading's been fire recently, but like the trading on, what is it, on today anyways, just because if I didn't take the YELL trade, essentially just a yell. If I didn't trade yell today, I'd probably be around break. Let me see. I'd be break even. Well, yeah, I'd be break even. Minus my call contracts I've been holding. Why am I holding them? I'm holding them just in case, guys. This isn't like one of the last ones I got. Last ones I got, I was like, it's coming up to 450, guys. We're going to 450. We did come up to 450 actually on the last day of the contract, so they appreciated it really quickly. Right, I went from out of the money to in the money on those contracts. Took my profit on them. Bada bing, bada boom. Right now, these are the 470 contracts. So like, I had a really good feeling about the 450 ones. These ones, I'm like, you know, it depends. It's either we're gonna break out to the top side here, right? Go up about $4, come up to 460, start to break out, you know, a couple dollars above, and then I'd be printing on those, or we're not, and we're gonna go back down to 450 level, and then at the 450 level. I mean, it's kind of, you know, I mean, I'm gonna cut them before then probably. My stop loss is 455 on these, so 455 flat is my stop. So Meta on another push, another uptrend, another push here, guys. So there you go. Came down to a low of 40. Yeah, I mean, you know, I'll cut that 10 out of 10 times, guys. You can't hold through your stop losses, and this goes for everyone in here. Everyone in here right now. If you guys have a stop loss set, and you guys have a really clean stop loss, a really clear stop loss, it's like, okay, I got to get out of this level. Don't be like, well, let me hold 20 cents below. Guys, no, just make sure to cut your losses. And you guys are probably like, YB, I know this, okay? You don't got to tell me it, all right? I'm aware of the situation, okay? But, you know, people say that until they're in the situation, and they're like, well, but, you know, guys. So let's do a little poll. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do a little poll. Here we go. Let me bring this over for you guys. Let's, okay, I don't know what just happened there. Okay. Creating a poll here, bringing it over. All right, I do this usually every day, but we're going to do it again, baby. Are you guys green? Are you guys break even? Or are you red? You guys know the drill. You guys know the drill. Let's see where you guys are today. Now I'll make it anonymous voting so you guys don't actually have to, you know what I'm saying? I don't got to see who's who or whatnot. And we'll see where we're at. So, anonymous voting here. So, here's where we're at, guys. If you guys are green, hey, hallelujah to you. You guys are loving today. Take your profits and run for the hills, baby. Get out of here. If you guys are break even, also, it's, you know, it's slowing down a little bit. Do what you want. You know what I mean? If you guys want to be green all day, continue the trade. Do what you want, but you risk in red. If you guys are red, listen, do not enforce this red. Don't enforce, you know, August 1st. Don't make this a crappy month of you trying to get out of, you know, a red. Don't make it a red month the first day. Let's go with that. All right. Confirming that, baby. Make sure to go vote. Green, break even, or red, baby. Right there it is. So I'm going to have that up for a couple minutes here. We're going to see what the chat is. All right. I love it. I love it. I love seeing you guys prosper, seeing you guys profit. And in about 15 minutes, I'm going to go over a little prop firm thing. Seeing which prop firm is the best to use. Seeing which prop firm, in my personal opinion, is the best to use. So green, break even, or red. I'm going to vote. I'm voting right quick. We're going to go, yeah, we're going to go right around there. No, I'm slightly red. I'll be honest with you guys. Yeah, we're going to go right around there. I'm slightly red. Yeah. So, make sure to go vote. Don't be a bot, man. Don't Don't just sit in here and listen to my pretty voice and not vote, you guys. So, ladies and gentlemen, 11:30. Going over the good old prop firm. Let me say this. Let me type this in here. Anyone interested? Hold on, let me say this. Anyone interested in trading with a prop firm? Hold on. In trading with a prop firm, 11:30. Anyone interested? Give me a second, guys. Sorry, I'm typing in deck chat real quick. I'm making a little poster for it, for you guys. Sorry, give me a second. 11:30. Anyone interested in trading with a prop firm? What should I say? I guess I'm essentially going over which one's the best, in my opinion. Which prop firm? Okay. There we go. Woo! There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Had to post that. Alright, none of you guys voted. Alright, it's fine. No, it's okay. No, dude, I don't mind. I don't mind. You guys don't gotta vote. That's alright. You guys do you. You guys do you, right? Give me 1 second. Alright. Alright. Let's raise the energy in the room, baby. Let's raise the energy in the room. You guys want to see something? I gotta take this jacket off. I'm starting to get hot, actually. Because I'm starting to heat up. I feel it in my blood. I'm starting to cook a little bit, guys. Who in here wants to raise the energy, baby? We gotta get it up. We gotta get it cracking. Alright, we gotta get it snapping up in here. Now, Microsoft, with the S&P coming down like this, guys, starting to break out of this little uptrend that I'm feeling. So, let me go to the 30-minute. Let's see. I used to use the 30-minute all the time. I still use the 30-minute. I just keep it on different charts. So, coming in on the 30-minute real quick. Not seeing too much. Not seeing a trend line too much build up. So, we're going to go from the 30-minute. We're going to go to the 15. Okay, down to the 15-minute. Let's take a look. Let's see if we see anything at the 15-minute. 15-minute, I'm not seeing too much either. Okay, guys. Well, actually, right here, I do see this coming down. Right there's a 200 on the 15. So, maybe I got to be a little bit cautious here. You got to be a little bit cautious if you're looking for puts here. Look at that. Look at that. Coming down right to it. What is that? 336.46? 336.46. You got to be cautious. Going down to the 5-minute, see if you see anything more. And a little bit of a bull flag pattern. That's what I'm looking for. Starting to break out. Picking a direction to the downside. Whew. It's getting a little hot. It's coming off. Ladies and gentlemen, let's turn some music on. Give me a second here. Oh, yeah. Let's see what we're feeling. Okay. Okay. Let it heat up. Let it cook. Woo! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I will be right back. Give me 1 second. Yeah, buddy. Sorry, I forgot my mic wasn't on. Whew. So there we go. Give me 1 second. Oh, man. Give me a second.
Subway's now slicing their meats fresh.
Oh, the lobby's not showing up for some
Dawn
people.
Power
Okay,
Wash
okay.
has 3 cleaning boosters not
Sorry,
found
I'm
in
just seeing this
traditional
now.
dish soaps. It's more than soap. It's power
Give me a
wash.
second. That's weird. Get that figured. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. I did not know, okay, alright. Alright, there we go, guys, so... Alright, so apparently my lobby's not showing up for everyone. I didn't know that, guys. Alright, so anyone that's in here right now, sorry, I was just taking a look there. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. What time is the time? 11:21. We're gonna get started in about 9 minutes. It's 4, so I'm going over. Alright, we're turning the music down a little bit there. I'm going over 4 prop firms on what I think personally would be the best option for 2023, what we're doing right now, and how everyone, you know, we're talking about futures. And there's one prop firm that's a little bit different than the rest. I will say that. Now, you know, it's a little bit different than the rest. Now, we're gonna heat up. We're gonna cook. We got 9 minutes. We're gonna let everyone get in this lobby, and we're gonna get into it. We're gonna get into it then. So, hope you guys are all having a profitable day. Hope you guys are all killing it. So yeah, taking a look at Microsoft here. Taking a look at right there's S&P. And for anyone in here saying that my lobby's not showing up, I don't know, that's weird. Yeah, that's weird. I don't know why. Yeah, I had a couple people say that, actually. That's wild. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, I'll talk to Deck about that and see what's up. But okay. Alright, there we go. So chilling out. So, yep, that's the game plan. We're gonna, how many minutes we got? We got 8 minutes now. 8 minutes left, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I was looking at Microsoft here, but here you guys go. So right now, we are 2 for 3 on the stream, baby. So we're gonna see what's up. Users, wait, what's that? One message? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, Mr. Anderson. What's up, man? He's saying, darn it, I just signed up with Top Step this morning. Woo! Oh man, it's okay. It's alright, man. Yeah, so I don't think that was one of them I was looking at. I looked at a few, essentially what people recommended me, because I was like, okay, which ones are the best? People DM'd me a couple of them, and they said, hey, these are the ones I think you should like take a look at. And I was like, okay, let's take a look at it. So yeah, we got a few, nothing too crazy. If you know, I'll take a look at that right now before we go, and I'll add that in if you want a Top Step, and I'll see if that one's the best. So yeah. Oh, got the alerts on for that by accident. There we go. Okay, let's see. Let me go to. I needed this discussion earlier. Yeah, it's alright, man. It's alright. Sorry to hear it, but it's alright. It's okay. I did that before, too. I remember I signed up with a prop firm, and literally a couple minutes later, I don't know if you know the one trader, Darth Trader, he was like, oh, well, this one's cheaper or whatnot. And I was like, you couldn't have said that like 3 minutes ago, man. It's okay. Top Step Trader. There we go. Okay. I'll look at it, and it's not going to be in the PowerPoint, but I'll definitely take a look at it and tell you if it's a good one or whatnot, and what I find to be good. And this is also, essentially, this is all going to be based off $50,000 accounts. So, you know, whatever the account size is, that's what it's going to be based off of. Okay. Okay, so far, Top Step isn't actually bad at all, Mr. Anderson there. I got to confirm me being human. Oh, man. Okay, hold on, guys. It's going to be rough. I think I did it. There we go. Okay. See, and the thing is with a lot of these companies, the only thing I wasn't able to find out the best is their payout method. You know what I mean? So, okay, right there it is. Right there it is. Okay, that's not bad at all. Not 100. Okay, 100% of your first 10,000, and then 90% after. Get your last month refunded after earning your payout. There we go. Okay. Expect your earnings quickly. Have 5 winners, $49 account. Yeah, this one might be in the runnings here. Hold on. I might have to add this in. Let me take a look real quick. What state are you in? Right now, we're currently in Pennsylvania. Good old PA. You already know, man. so we're seeing what's up. What's up, Co7? What's up? Hope you're having an awesome day. I signed up the other day, $50,000 account. Was able to get a discount code from a YouTuber, so $45 a month fee. There you go. There you go. That's what's up. That's good too. That's good profit. I like that. So I like that split there. So just checking it out. That's not, yeah. So because a lot of these will be either one-time payments, and the one-time payments are like $100, $200 or whatnot, $300, $400. Some of them are crazy amounts if you're trying to get like really big accounts or whatnot. But other ones are monthly payments or whatnot. So the one I'm currently with right now isn't bad. Code 17 options play. Options play. The only one I was thinking about was Microsoft below this 50 for a little bit of a gap to fill right here, down, and seeing if it could, but it didn't. It respected the 50, came up, and is not pushing now, through highs. So I'm off of it right now, just chilling out, about to get this started. So yeah. $28, Code 7 says. Is that a prop firm account you're trading with right now? $28 prop firm account, huh? JR Pav saying, by deck. I'm still stuck in Jersey. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's not too far out from me. Yeah, he's in PA too. PA is a big state, man. Pittsburgh, it's not too big. It's not like California, but yeah, it's pretty wide. Yeah, buddy. Jersey, I mean, there's nothing wrong with Jersey. You got the Jersey Shore. Where everything started up. Got crazy over there, man. Good show. Great show. All right. Okay. So, let me do a little bit of adjustments here real quick right beforehand. The only thing I struggled with was finding payouts. And that sounds like a little bit of an issue. But and by payouts, I essentially mean like how many times you can get paid out a month. What is the split on the payouts? I had a lot of trouble finding all of that, actually, and and that, I guess that's a bit of an issue. And if some of you guys are a part of any of these, oh, there we go. Look at everything starting to spike a little bit more. There was a dip buy, guys. I didn't even see it. Meta dip buy, guys, right there. Oh, I was focused on this. I was getting everything set up. 320.80 is where I was looking for a dip buy, ladies and gentlemen, and look at where it came down to. Right around that area and spiking the new highs. It's okay. It's okay. There's always more opportunity. It's okay. I'm not going to complain. Microsoft breaking that uptrend. Essentially the bull flag pattern going crazy. All right, 11:28. We're going to get to start in the 2 minutes here. $28, Code 7 says on the day. Guess what? That's better than red, baby. So, you got to take your profit when you have it. Today's a bit of a different day, I will say. It's a little bit harder, a little bit trickier. Tesla not doing anything too crazy as well. Yup. So, I'm not... Okay. All right. We're good. Okay. So it's gonna be a faster presentation. Now, obviously, what I find out and what I feel, is a bit different than other people, and what I feel like. And I'm also gonna go by convenience levels. Now, what is more convenient for me personally, and what I feel. So, we have 4 of them here. So we're gonna go with. Let's do this right here. It's only 2 slides. It's nothing crazy. It's gonna be really quick, so you guys can continue to trade. Not gonna take up too much of your day here. Getting it crazy. So it's nothing. What I feel like, and I'm adding one more in. So I'm gonna add in Top Step as well. I will do that. I'll just go over that one with you guys. And I feel like that's not even a bad one at all on what their payout method is. And I feel like this is what a lot of them is. So I'm gonna go over 2 more, and the one I feel like you shouldn't go with, from what my personal experience is. So what time is it? 11:29 here. We can get started. How many people we got? We got everyone up in here. Everyone ready? Everyone good to go? Give me a yeah, buddy, if you guys are ready to go. You guys are ready to rock. Give me a good old yeah, buddy in the chat. You guys are ready to rock with it. Touching the view up, touching the 50-day right there, S&P. Let's get it going, baby. I feel like you guys are all ready. I gotta work on my stream delay as well. So nothing crazy. So chilling out. We're gonna see what's up. All right, time's 11:30. All right, we're going to get it rocking, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to what I feel to be. Bring this over here and then go presentation mode. Present. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to what I feel to be. What is the best prop firm challenge based off of a $50,000 account? Presented by myself, yeah, buddy. So, guys, I did a little bit of research last night. I didn't dive too deep into it due to the fact that I couldn't find, yeah, buddy, I couldn't find too much info on a lot of these prop firms that I was having, but essentially I'm just gonna go over what I feel like personally is my what would you call it? Prop firm of choice. There you go, for $50,000 account. So going to the next slide here. So we have, now this is how hard it was for me to find the payout methods. I was looking on the websites and there was only one that I could find. Right now I'm adding in one more here, firm here, right? So we're gonna go. This is based off a $50,000 account on all of these. So if we look at Take Profit Trader, we're gonna go left to right. Take Profit Trader, it costs $170 a month, right? Your max drawdown that you can have is $2,000. Your profit target's $3,000. Now with that ratio, it's almost like a 2-to-1 ratio in a way, and it's not a bad ratio. I'm 100% for that. Now the payout method. The payout method on this, what I've seen, I'm pretty sure, is 90% to 10%, and it's after a 40-day period. So this is what I found. I didn't have time to add it in. I just found this. So essentially, you trade, you pass the challenge, you hit your profit target of $3,000. You're still paying the $170 a month every month, no matter what, for all your subscription fees and everything. Now, if you hit your drawdown, the nice thing is you can renew your account for $100, right? So let's say you hit your drawdown, you hit $2,000, you can renew it for $100, okay? So that's not bad. That's good to go. That's pretty solid, right? Okay, good. Your payouts on this is like I said, it's gonna be a 90 to 10 split. Now I don't know if they didn't present it in any way, shape, or form up on the website or whatever about if it's after $25,000. Now a lot of these prop firms will do, if you, for the first $25,000, you take home 100% of your gains, right? And everything like that. I couldn't find anything on that. So that's your ratio on Take Profit Trader. Not bad. Not bad. This is currently the one I'm working with. Currently I'm working with Take Profit Trader. I haven't checked out. I haven't indulged in any of the rest. Now a lot of these, I'll say this real quick as well. A lot of these prop firms have discount codes, right? Have discounts for month-to-month basis. I'm pretty sure Apex just ended theirs for $40 accounts, right? Just to get users in there and reusing everything. So now we're gonna move over to Apex, right? So here we go with Apex, and Apex I've heard really good and really bad things. So first off, we'll start with the $167 a month. Now the discount code, if you guys got the discounted accounts, it was $40 a month. $40 a month, not bad. Your max drawdown now is $500 more than Take Profit Trader. Now you have the same profit target of $3,000 with the $500. Now, contract-wise on what you can take, I'm pretty sure, and once again, this is another thing I couldn't tell. They didn't show me a lot. I'm pretty sure it's up to 6 contracts. I know in Take Profit Trader, you can take up to 6 minis, right? I'm pretty sure it's the same here on Apex. Now, your payout method is you have a 40-day holding period, and then you can get paid out twice a month versus Apex, where after the 40-day holding period, you can take out as much as, you make $500 in a day, I'm pretty sure you can pull it out. You don't get paid out twice a month. So, there you go. Surge Trader. What I've seen here on Surge Trader is that it's an initial $200 and what seems to be $80. Now they're on sale right now. That's why I'm saying $280. The normal is $400. So it's a one-time fee of $400, right? AKA right now though it's only $280. Your max drawdown's $2,500. Your max profit target now is $5,000 though. So this is one of the things where I couldn't find out anything about the payout methods. So this one I'm kind of ranking a little bit lower on the list. So far to me, Take Profit Trader, we're going to go like this. Take Profit Trader, Apex, right? I personally like Take Profit Trader just a bit more due to the payouts, right? I don't know, how it really works in that method, right? When it comes down to if you're getting your first 10 to 20,000, 100%, right? No, you're not paying them anything like 90-10 split. But what I do know, and what I am confirmed about, is the fact that Take Profit Trader is really, really easy to use. I think Apex is the same. Never worked with Apex, so I don't have too much of a standing. It's just based on statistics, right? $3 more a month for Take Profit Trader, so it's okay. Okay, they both have their ups and downs, okay? Surge Trader, I don't like the profit target on it. I don't like that it's a $5,000 profit target. It's a one-time fee of $280, but your max drawdown is $2,500. That's good, but the profit target just isn't there for me. You know what I mean? I don't think you should be able to compete with a $3,000 profit target. You have to make $2,000 more. I just don't like it. I don't know anything about the payouts. I just don't like it. Then our final one that is not futures, but is still a prop firm. And yes, I found one, guys. If you like trading stocks and you guys aren't about the whole futures thing, trade the poll. Now, they don't have a $50,000 account. What they do have is an $80,000 account. And what I feel to be with the $80,000 account right now isn't a terrible aspect. So what they call it by is a super buying power. Your key target is $80,000. Your profit target's $4,200. Now hear this. It's only a $300 one-time payment, right? So here's what I'm looking at. Your max drawdown, $2,100. I have it right up here. You have to make a minimum trade of 30. And here's another thing I like by Trade the Pool. They have so much info up right here. You have a trading period of 45 days to make this happen. So essentially you have 45 days to pass this challenge, right? Can't lose $700. Now the daily loss for Take Profit Trader as well is, I think, $1,200, right? So, and you have a trailing drawdown of 2,000. So I think the same thing near Apex. But if you guys like trading stocks, you guys don't want to get on this all futures thing. You guys are like, I'm not about it. I don't care. I've been trading stocks for years. I've learned stocks or whatever. Look at Trade the Pool for a one-time fee of $300, and you'll get a $80,000 account if you pass this challenge, not a $50,000. And I think the payout is 60. So the payout's 60-40 though. That's the only difference. So you make $100, you get 60, they get 40. Now once again, this isn't the best split. This isn't the best, out of all of them. It's not the best of the best. But stocks compared to futures, you trade what you want. But that's where I personally feel like, and I'm gonna add in two more here. So the one I feel like I personally don't like the most is gonna have to be Tick Trader. And I know there's some people that disagree with me about this, or some people that have their own standpoints on Tick Trader. Me personally, I worked with Tick Trader, passed their account challenge, and for some reason it was just, for one, it was super hard to even get the account, right? And it was super hard to after get the account and actually get funded, because I was on my way to Florida and everything, and I was like, hey guys, I passed the challenge like last week, how come I still don't have this account or whatnot? And they're like, oh, you actually, like, you passed? And I'm like, yeah, I passed the challenge. So passing the challenge and everything, they kind of were hesitant. They were like, okay, we need your ID, we need this and that, and that's okay. I understand you need verification and whatnot, but once you pass or whatever, my drawdown was like a $700 drawdown max on a $50,000 account, even after I had a so they have something called a safe zone. It was after you pass the prop firm challenge, right? You pass the challenge or whatnot, you have your funded account. Now you have to make $5,160 or something to even start to get paid out, right? So after you pass that, now it's still like a $700, $500 drawdown that you have, and it's too much work. It's too much work for me. It was too complicated. I didn't like it or anything. So I kind of I laid off it, all right? After, because you have a bad day. You have a $50,000 account. You're up to $54,000. You take a $600 loss, and it's shut down. Like, that's not the best. So I would stay away from Tick Trader. The one that just got brought up to me by one of the traders in the chat here, Mr. Anderson, and I'm not against it. Top Step Trader right now. A lot of you guys know this if you guys trade futures. You guys right now can get a $50,000 account for $49 a month, right? $49 a month. I think this is continuing, right? This is continuing. So instead of $165, it's $49. Your profit target is the same as Take Profit and Apex. It's $3,000, right? You have a maximum position of 5 contracts instead of 6, but that's up to you guys how you guys trade. If you guys are super aggressive, that might make a difference. For me, I take ES with like 2 to 3 contracts and Q with like 1 to 2, so I'm not super aggressive. Your max drawdown is $2,000, so once again, that 2-to-1 RR ratio, nothing wild. A 90-to-10 split. So first off, you get your first. Let's say you pass. You pass the challenge. Congratulations, guys. You guys passed. $10,000. The first $10,000 you guys make is 100% yours. After that, it's a 90-to-10 split. Not bad. I'm not against that. So if you guys are looking to get in, if you guys are looking to get into the prop firm thing, you guys don't want to put up $170 a month, $167, initial fee of $280, initial fee of $300. Guys, Top Step Trader right now would probably be your best bet. So in my opinion, for the cheapest price point and some of the best standards, go to Top Step Trader, and I'll link it right now. Topstep.com. I'm gonna link it in the chat for you guys right here. So here's gonna be Top Step Trader, right? And I'm not against that. So right here's Top Step. I'm gonna link that for you guys right in the chat. Right there's Top Step. Another thing, me personally being with Take Profit, I've had 0 issues with them. That's my thing. So I'm gonna recommend Take Profit. I've heard and I've seen some bad things about Apex. So do what you will. It's $3 less than take profit a month, right? But I feel there's a lot of things going in. You know, you get paid out twice a month. You can only get paid out, you know, I don't know. There's just a lot going on. It's too complicated. We want simplicity. Just like we like in the market, we like with our prop firm accounts, okay? So there you go with that. So I'm going to link, Take Profit Trader in a second. And the last one I'm going to link is Trade the Pool. For any of you stock traders that want to get involved with any of this prop firm stuff, prop firm challenges, but don't even care about futures, right here it is, Trade the Pool, you guys. So these are the few accounts that these are the I guess you could say prop firms I feel the best, the worst, and are okay. Do what you want. Surge Trader, I would stay away from as well. I don't like the profit target. I don't like the drawdown. I don't like how it's an initial fee of $280. If you lose, oh, that's okay. You give me another $280. You know what I mean? I feel like they're in it more for the initial fee than they are for actually funding traders. And that's the same thing I say with TickTick as well, right? So this one right here is going to be Trade the Pool. This one right here, not bad for stock trading if you guys are in stocks. Initial $300 fee, just don't get that, you know, the drawdown's $2,100. So depends how you guys are, depends where you guys are at. Take Profit Trader, let me link for you guys real quick. Right here is going to be Take Profit as well. So pick your poison, baby. Pick what you want to do. That is the, let me link this for you guys real quick. Take Profit Trader. There you go, baby. So ladies and gentlemen, pick your poison. You guys can rewind, see what you guys want to do, listen to what I said about them all again. I have my thoughts about them. I have my thoughts about every single one of them, but not trying to make it too opinion based. But this is exactly what I feel you guys should go with. Stay away from some of these. Go with some of them. I would really say jump on that. If you guys are just trying to get involved, jump on that Top Step, man. $49 a month. So yeah, buddy. There you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And we're killing it. We're killing today. So there you guys go. All right. Now that we're done with that. Let me, how do I end this presentation here? There we go. I should have put yeah, buddy at the end of that. That would have been funny. All right, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed my little presentation or whatnot. All right. So let's go back a little bit. Darth Trader saying what's up? What's up, Darth Trader? Hope you're having a great day. Hope you're having an amazing day. Dexon, yeah, what's good, Deck? Yeah, buddy. Getting up in here. Meta next point entry will be 323.30. 323.30 area. 323.30. Up and in the air, okay. Okay, we're still pushing higher. There we go. So we're getting into it. Co7 saying SPY thoughts, S&P thoughts. S&P has been on this little bit of a downtrend the entire day. Now, obviously, we have higher lows as well. So you're almost in like this little descending triangle pattern or whatnot, if you want to count that. Something like that, right? So keep your, I would say keep off it until you either break out. Now we're coming up to it. If you really want to, you need to trade. Break out when it comes down, 455.80 level. Maybe it'd be an okay trade. It's just the S&P's been a really, really choppy, right? We've been choppy since 10:15 today. We've been choppy essentially all day, actually. We had a quick pump and dump, but other than that, we've been chopping. So I would try and keep my hands a little bit off it. Meta is maybe the play you could look for. It's the number one mover in a way today. It's actually moving. That's the thing I like about Meta. I don't care that it's moving up and skyrocketing. I care that it's just moving. You know what I mean? So that's wild to me that it's having some direction in a market that's not having any direction. Like look at Tesla. It's been sitting all day. So nothing wild here. All right, sitting on futures, doing good on futures today. Sitting good on let me see real quick. Sitting good on options today. Penny stocks got eaten up by YELO. What's YELO at right now? 282. Nothing crazy. So if you guys have any tickers you want me to take a look at, feel free to type them in chat, and I'll be about it, baby. So there we go. So guys, there's a poll right now. Up and active. I want you guys to go vote. If you guys are in here, yeah, buddy, let's turn that music up. There we go. I want you guys, if you're in here, go vote in that poll. Let me know what you guys are. Are you guys green? You guys break even? Or you guys a little red today? Let's go. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know. I'm gonna end the poll in about 5 minutes. I'll end the poll, so you guys have a little bit of time. But I hope you guys are all having an amazing, killer day, baby. Ah. Yeah, buddy. All right, guys. A little bit of background music on. Everyone make sure to go vote on that. Let's see, baby. 67% of the chat right now. Green. 33% red. 0 break even. Okay, okay. I see where we're at. I see what you guys are thinking. Amazing trade there on Meta by Deck himself. Amazing trade. Someone let me know that in the chat about that 5K gain. Right? We're talking, guys. Homie's upgrading. He's not going to Chipotle anymore. Let's be honest, everyone. He's upgraded from Chipotle. You know where he's going? He's going to Olive Garden. Yeah, guys. It's wild up in here. Buddy's not going to. Buddy's done with the quick Chipotle meals. He's going to Olive Garden. He's going to feast. Right? He's going to get the breadsticks. Not only is he there for the breadsticks, he's there for the pasta. He's there for that $12 pasta. Yeah. So, yeah, buddy. Where is the poll? Code 7 says. So, right underneath Talk Alerts Profit Users, you see username ticker, and then you click that new poll, green, break even, or red. Just click on that, and there it is, man. Yeah, buddy. So it's a killer. Killer. We're gonna get into it. Oh yeah, Dark Turtle is saying maybe a little Outback, some blooming onion. He gets what I'm saying. He's upgraded. He's getting out of here, right? I'm not saying we were in the trenches at Chipotle. You know, the rest of us, we can still grub there. It's just Deck's upgrading. He's going from the kids' table to the adults' table. You know, we like to see our guy shine. Yeah. So we love it. We love it, baby. Texas Roadhouse style. It's actually a Texas Roadhouse being built in my town. You guys are gonna know where I'm going every day after trading, baby. I'm gonna be grubbing. So, chilling out. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys have any tickets you want me to take a look at, let me know, you guys. Let me know. I'm loving it. I don't think there's been any penny stocks ripping and running today. Has there been? Unless I'm, well, excuse me, anymore. Ripping and running anymore, I'll say that. SNMP, amazing shorting opportunity this morning. Coming all the way down to 8, what is that, 830 low? Right around it, 826. Nothing wild, kind of chilling out now. You got that. OCEA was great pre-market, amazing. Just short this thing when it opens up, guys. Look at that. Amazing short all day. You got that. ABVC, another amazing short, guys. A lot of these penny stocks do this. Boom, spike, and then they fall off all day. So you guys could have shorted any of these penny stocks and made a killing. That's a stock from a couple days ago. Nothing too wild on that. So that's where we're at, man. That is where we're at, baby. I love it. Blue chip's not doing too much. I wouldn't be touching the S&P for a little while right now. You know, coming up, we got AM. Oh, hold on, ladies and gentlemen, hands in the air. Anyone trading AMD earnings reports in here? Anyone in here trading AMD's earnings? Anyone in here thinking, maybe I'll take a trade. I'll put a couple $100 on. I'm not saying put your whole account on the line. Maybe take like a $100 call contract, right? Maybe take like a $100 call contract. You know, do what you want to do, I guess. You know, maybe take a $100 put contract. Not saying one way or another. I'm not the CEO. I don't know which way it's gonna go. You know. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see what's up with it. How about NKLA? Jim Bond says. Let me take a look. I got you, bud. Here we go. This buddy? Yeah, buddy. He gets it. NKLA. Let's take a look. Yeah, I'm thinking about some AMD. Maybe, you know, just a little. I mean, it's a gamble. If you guys are getting in, I will say it's a gamble, but sometimes we like to gamble, baby. You know? Sometimes we like it. NKLA. Not a bad trade. Hit all the way up to 350. I wouldn't really be tempted on this stock unless you're looking for the short. If you're looking for the short, if it cracks view up, if it starts to crack view up, come down here. And yeah, I'd say crack the uptrend here that's been holding. This little uptrend that's been holding, if it starts to really crack that right around the 200, you can look for a short. If you're looking to go long though, I wouldn't really touch this until it really, it would have to start picking up some mega volume and start to push 350 again. Let's see some past chart history on the stock. See if there's anything I would say some strong resistance here. No. It's had its spikes recently though. Let's go back a little bit. Let's go back a little bit. Okay, this is further as we can expand. Alright, we're going to the daily, baby. Let's go a little bit further back. There we go, okay. So what is that, 350 area we came up to? right up to it. So let's do this. Sure, we'll go like 346. It's right around that area. You guys get what I'm saying. Extend it to the left. Okay. Okay. You break above the 350 area. You break above that 350 area right there. I say you have a little bit of resistance coming up. I see a little bit of a wick there. 360s. We all know, and there it would be 375 and the 380 level. Right? 375 and the 380 level is going to be critical, like always, right? Then you have the $4 point, and the $4, if it breaks that, it has room to go. I mean, it has room all the way up to $5 then. So, a little bit of a gap up is going to happen. It's going to go a little bit crazy. So, there you go. Thank you, I mean. Oh, that works too, Jim. I got you, buddy. Don't even worry about it. So not a bad play. It just has to start picking up some volume first, right? We're right up there, 349 area. So, yeah. After that, you guys are good to go. You guys are going to be cooking all day, man. So, yeah, I mean, and I was taking a look at, you know, what is that, OCEA? OCEA I was taking a look at earlier, and I thought this stock pre-market could have really went, and it came up, hit 623, topped out, and, you know, it's been fading all day, and I was like, you know, it is what it is. I didn't take any trades on it. I was just looking at it, just waking up, you know what I mean, type situation, taking a look. Same with SNMP. Did anyone trade this stock yesterday at all? And what's the time real quick? Let me end this poll real quick. Oh, a little bit late. Okay, everyone, stop the poll. Guys, we are 50% green on the day, 25% break even, and 25% red. You know what that means? Majority of the chat room's green. Round of applause, baby. Woo! Congratulations to you guys. Congratulations to all you green traders out there. You guys are killing it. Everyone out there, even if you're break even, you're killing it, baby. Come back tomorrow with a free lesson. That's all you did. And if you're red, all you did was pay for a lesson today on what maybe you shouldn't do in the market, in a way, you know what I mean? Or maybe some of your risk to reward ratios just didn't work out the best. But looking at SMNP, man, this was a stock that went berserk, man. I mean, come on, from 43 cents, guys. If you okay, all right, let me be that guy real quick. You guys want to see something here? I'll be that guy. You guys ready for that? If you guys got in, let's say, I'll be generous, let's say 45 cents. You guys got in at 45 cents with 1,000 shares. So 1,000 times, all right, 1,000 divided by, what is that? Okay, 40, what is that, 43 cents? So 1,000 times 43, because you got in at 43 cents per share. Put up $430. $430, that's it, right? That's it. Okay. You guys ready for this? This is going to mess with you guys' heads. Let's say you sold at market open today. The second the market opened, you guys sold. You already had your sell order placed. Market open at 12.25. Okay. So now you're in with 1,000 shares at 12.25. Oops, excuse me. So that would be 12.25 times 1,000. Minus, what I say, 443 or something like that, right around that area. Huh. All I'm saying is, yeah, buddy. Now, what's the realistic point of you getting in at 45 cents, 43 cents? Guys, I'm sorry, but any, you know, I don't know, unless you have insider trading info, which, like I've said before, pass that to the TradeCaster members, right? Unless you have insider trading info, there's no chance you're looking at the stock at 43 cents at market open and going, this one's going to be it today. Like, right? Unless you've already been invested in this company for, like, and is this a recent IPO? I don't even know. I didn't even look. No, this company's been out. I mean, at one point it was at a penny. Like, guys, there's not, you know, this was definitely, what is it, an OTC stock, you know, over the counter. It definitely wasn't even on the market. So that's why. So, yeah, man. I mean, and it happens, man. This is looking like some Wolf of Wall Street type pump, right? This is looking like IPO day of Steve Madden, baby. So, nothing you can do about it except vibe, live life, and you'll get the next one. You know. Do you guys consider that one of the supernovas of the summer? How about that? I'll say that. Do you guys consider that one of the supernovas of the summer, going from 40 cents all the way up to $15? Is that considered a supernova for you guys? Or is a supernova considered a stock going from $13 all the way up to $50? You know what I mean? Let me know what you guys are thinking. So yeah, buddy. That's where we're at, guys. Time's 11:55. The market's kind of a bit dead. Guys, if you guys want to take any trades, look for some of these bounces, I'd say. If you guys are really itching for a trade, we have, I mean, as you see, we haven't been able to hold above the 50 and the view up. We haven't even, and look at what, the one time we came up to the 200, we bounced right off it. So, right here you go. You have a bounce right here on the 200. Right, look at this entire area. All these upper shadows, none of them are holding above. So you come back down right off that 50 point. Right here's another touch. Right here's another touch, another touch. So, and right here's another touch, guys. So, take it as you will. Right, if you guys are looking for very simple, easy options trades, scalp this though. Even if you guys are trading on futures, scalp this on ES. You know what I mean? Don't force it. Don't be inconsiderate. All right, take your profits where you have it. This week's already starting off to be a little bit slower. You know, everyone's on vacation. Hallelujah to you. But, yeah, buddy. It's time with the 11:56, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys are loving it, baby. I hope you guys are eating this market up. Man, if you guys are green on the day, give yourself a pat on the back. Today wasn't the easiest of days. If you guys are break even, it's okay. If you guys are red, that's also okay. Just rethink what you did. Just take a listen, take a little look-see, and maybe start reporting some of your trades if you don't, baby. That's what you're going to want to do. That's the best advice I could give you for any red traders out there. So, with that being said, though, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, buddy, he's going to be signing off here. Let me bring up OBS here. So, I hope you guys have all enjoyed kicking with me. I hope you guys enjoyed my little prop firm lesson. Hope you guys take that into theory when you guys are choosing your prop firm or whatnot. But, I'll catch you guys here tomorrow, 10 a.m. EST, baby. I'll be here. So, let's get a good yeah, buddy. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, buddy! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, have a good rest of your day. Make sure to stay profitable, stay consistent, stay disciplined. Peace!
Put your hands up, put your hands up, party people, put your hands up, hands up, kind of beat to go rat-tat-tat, kind of beat to go rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat, kind of beat to go rat-tat-tat. Be a leader, so me don't fall. See Elliot, that's who I are. Back it up, kiss it, I'm here. Super duper fly, hee ha. Why do people want you put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up, why do people put your hands up, It's the kind of beat to go rat-tat-tat. It's the kind of beat to go rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat. It's the kind of beat to go rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat. It's the kind of beat to go rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat. It's the kind of beat to go rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat. It's the kind of beat to go rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat. It's the kind of beat to go rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat. It's the kind of beat to go rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat.
Change the way you kiss me, kiss me, kiss me.
me. I've never been afraid of the highest heights or afraid of flying. I've never been afraid of the wildest fights, not afraid of dying. But now I'm off this ride 'cause you're scaring me, and I don't like where we're going. I need a new fun fact 'cause you're scaring me, and I don't like where we're going. And now you're gonna miss me. I know you're gonna miss me. I guarantee you miss me. 'Cause you changed the way you kiss me. Kiss me. The way you kiss me.